What's going on, guys? HM Crypto, and I'm here to add value to you. So today we'll be setting up our two-factor verification. It's an essential security measure on crypto.com. Oh, if you're new to the page, like and subscribe, join the family, and hit that notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be the first to know. Oh, by the way, I am not a financial advisor. Any investment decision should be based off of your own research and due diligence. So let's hop right into this. All right, crypto family. So first thing I want you to do is download your authenticator app. We're going to use Authy as an example for this. So it should be on the Play Store. So let's go right now. Here we go. I'm going to search for it. I'm searching for it. Authy. And there you go. This is what it looks like. It looks like a white U and a hollowed U. So this is what we'll be using in our example today. All right, so now let's go to our crypto.com app. So I'm at crypto.com right now. So let's see. Crypto.com. Here we are. Let's scroll down. You see the two-factor authentication? We're gonna click on that. Let's click on that. You see how mine's hollowed in? We're gonna get you guys to that level right now. So let's hop right into it. Let's do it. Okay, so you see enable. We're right here setting up our two-factor authentication. Sorry, guys. And then we're going to hit the clipboard because we're going to paste that into our Authy app. So let's do that right now. Let's go to Authy. All right, so first things first, we're going to go to we're in the Authy app right now. This is assume that you set up the app. And we're going to hit the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. So we're going to click add account and then enter manually. And then copy the key into this box right here. Then we're gonna save, and once we save, it should auto-populate crypto.com. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click yes. You're gonna continue, save that, and then let's go back. You should see a nickname. So you'll be edit account nickname crypto.com, save. And then you'll be good to go. You'll see a box with 6 numbers, and it'll stick 6 numbers spin slowly every 30 seconds. So we're gonna copy that. You gotta be quick about it too, because if you take too long, it's gonna repopulate the code. So we're gonna copy the clipboard. Then we're gonna go back to our setting up our two-factor authentication, and then we're gonna go to proceed to verify. Once we click on that, there's going to be a box that pops up that says paste the 6-digit number. So we're going to do that right now. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure you write down that code for the two-factor authentication, not the 6-digit one, the one before that, because if you somehow lose your phone, you won't be able to get access to it. So it's important to write that down. All right, so we paste it in here, and then confirm. All right, now our 2FA is enabled, so now we can send crypto off the exchange and also withdraw, register with the withdrawal whitelist, which we'll get into another video. So, all right, that's it, guys. All right, we're good to go. All right, guys, we got through that. Even with the blacked out screen. Well, the blacked out screen was for security reasons because that's how Authy works. You can't screen record. Anyways. You got value out of this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment below, tell me what you think of this video. Was it easy or was it easy? Come on. Oh, check the links below too. One for crypto.com. Use my referral and get 25 USD in Crow when you stake Crow for the rewards card. And also Coinbase, deposit $100 and trade in any crypto and get $10 of Bitcoin. And also, don't forget, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to build your foundation and see you at the top.